How to disable Face ID verification from Binance app. You want to disable Face ID verification on the Binance app for extra security. In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to turn it off. First of all, open the Binance app. Launch the Binance app on your phone and log into your account. Go to your profile settings, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner to open your account settings. Then in the settings menu, choose security to access your account security settings. To disable Face ID, find the Face ID or biometric authentication, and it's usually called biometric authentication option, and toggle it off. To confirm the change, you may need to enter your password to confirm the action, and that's how you disable Face ID verification on Binance. Now you don't need to show up your face, just enter your password and maybe the authentication, the two-factor authentication, and you'll be into your account. Thanks for watching.